Juniper has been known for its diuretic properties since antiquity. Dioscorides, in the 1st century, indicates that it helps treat urinary problems and fight coughs. It has anti-rheumatic, carminative, antiseptic, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. Juniper essential oil can be diluted in the bath. Its berries are very popular in cooking. Juniper tree scientific name, Juniperus communis. Common names, juniper, common juniper, juniper, cade juniper, oxycedar juniper, creeping juniper, petron, petrot, petron, pecket, ginebra, peasants theriac, cade. English name, common juniper. Botanical classification, Cupressaceae family. Different forms and preparations, essential oils, mother tinctures, macerates, powders, decoctions, infusions, dried berries. Medicinal properties. What are the benefits of juniper? Internal use of Juniperus. This plant is a digestive tonic and aperitif. It stimulates the stomach and promotes the elimination of gases. It has other properties. Diuretic by the action of terpinin 4-OL. Eupeptic and stomachic. Diuretic and depurative, promotes the destruction of uric acid. Antidiabetic by peripheral increase in glucose and potentiation of insulin secretion. Antimycobacterial activity. Juniper bud is a hepatocellular regenerator, a detoxifier, an anti-inflammatory, and a kidney protector. The essential oil is an anti-inflammatory and analgesic, an antiputrid agent of the intestine and a drainer of the subcutaneous tissue. External use of common juniper. When used externally, juniper is an anti-rheumatic. Usual therapeutic indications. For the digestive sphere, anorexia, dyspepsia, inappetence, slow digestion, intestinal fermentation. The rest after this ad. For the urogenital sphere, urinary infections, thanks to the berries which increase the volume of urine, painful periods. Inappetence and states of fatigue. Rheumatism, arthritis, applied locally, essential oil helps relieve muscle and joint pain. It is used for osteoarthritis and gout. Prevention and treatment of infectious diseases. Other demonstrated therapeutic indications. Obesity and cellulite. External parasites. Eczema and skin conditions, acne, wounds, treatment of herpes or cold sores. Decreased blood pressure. Reduction of blood sugar levels. Respiratory diseases, cough. Dental neuralgia. History of the use of juniper in herbal medicine. Juniper was already used in antiquity, its branches were burned during plague epidemics. Dioscorides believed that juniper berries, as a drink, were effective against swelling of the stomach. The American Indians used the common juniper to combat various disorders such as stomach aches, respiratory ailments, or to speed up childbirth, but also transformed it into an alcoholic drink. Botanical description of juniper, how to grow it. Juniper is a shrub whose size can vary from 50 centimeters to 15 m in height. Planting this small tree is preferably done in autumn or even in winter, outside of periods of frost. This shrub likes clay or sandy soil. Its trunk is covered with rough gray bark, the leaves are very sharp needles with evergreen foliage. They are rigid, green, with a slightly bluish-white line. Pale yellow flowers grow in leaf axils and on different plants. They are very small, grouped in catkins. For this species, flowering takes place between April and May, its growth is slow. The fruits are fleshy, globular cones. They are green, then turn bluish-black or black and waxy. Only then are the juniper berries edible. They contain 3 seeds. Composition of juniper. Parts used. In herbal medicine, we use the berries and young shoots of this small tree. The essential oil is taken from the twigs and berries. Cade oil is obtained by heating juniper wood. Active substances. The active ingredient is essential oil with more than 60 components including monoterpenes, myrcene, saponine, limonene. Terpenes. Tannins and flavonoids, bioflavonoids, oligoproanthocyanidins. Diterpenes. Bitter principle. Essential acids. Sugars and resin.